Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our 60-day spoken English course.
Welcome back, everyone. We're so happy to have you here for day 3.
Today, we're going to learn something that native speakers use every single day.
In fact, you probably hear it hundreds of times without noticing.
That's true. And once you understand today's lesson, your English sentences will immediately sound more complete and natural.
Yesterday, we learned pronouns like I, you, he, she, we, and they.
Exactly. But today, we're going to connect those pronouns to something very important:
3 tiny words.
am
Is.
and are.
These words look simple, but many English learners mix them up.
I know I did when I was learning a new language.
Really?
Absolutely. I knew the words, but I never knew which one to choose.
That's a very common problem.
So today, we're going to solve that problem forever.
And we're not going to memorize grammar rules.
No boring grammar today.
Instead, we're going to use pictures and real conversations.
Just the way we always do.
Let's start with a simple question.
Imagine you're standing in front of a mirror.
You're looking directly at yourself.
What pronoun do you use?
I.
Perfect.
Now imagine you're introducing yourself at a new job.
You smile and say, "Hello, everyone.
What comes next?
I am Emily."
Exactly.
Not I as Emily.
Not I or Emily.
Only I am Emily.
That's our first rule.
Whenever we use I, we use am.
Let's practice.
I am happy.
I am ready.
I am learning English.
I am excited.
Very simple.
Now let's move to another picture.
Imagine you're talking to your best friend.
You're looking directly at that person.
Which pronoun do you use?
You.
Correct.
Now your friend looks tired today.
What do you say?
You are tired.
Excellent.
Notice something important.
What?
We don't say, you am tired.
Definitely not.
We say, you are tired.
Let's try a few more examples.
You are my friend.
You are very kind.
You are doing great.
You are improving every day.
Wonderful.
So far, we have one easy pattern.
I goes with am.
You goes with are.
Now let's continue.
Imagine Michael is standing across the room.
Michael is a man.
What pronoun replaces Michael?
He.
Exactly.
Michael is a teacher.
So we say,
He is a teacher.
excellent.
Not he am.
Not he are.
He is.
Let's do a few more.
He is busy.
He is happy.
He is my colleague.
He is learning English.
Perfect.
Now let's bring Olivia into the story.
Olivia is standing next to Michael.
Which pronoun replaces Olivia?
She.
Correct.
Olivia is friendly.
She is friendly.
Olivia is a student.
She is a student.
Olivia is excited.
She is excited.
Amazing.
So now we have another pattern.
He and she both use is.
Exactly.
Let's make it even more visual.
I like visual lessons.
Imagine a small circle.
Okay,
Inside the circle is only one person.
just one person.
He.
One person.
She.
One person.
That's why they use is.
One person. One is.
Nice and simple.
But now let's make the circle bigger.
Much bigger.
Now there are many people inside.
Maybe 10 students.
Maybe 20.
What pronoun do we use?
They.
Exactly.
And what goes with they?
Are.
Perfect.
They are students.
They are playing football.
They are learning English.
They are happy.
Excellent.
Now let's include ourselves.
My favorite part.
You and I together.
2 people.
One team.
What pronoun do we use?
We.
Exactly.
And what comes next?
We are.
We are teachers.
We are friends.
We are ready.
We are learning together.
Great.
Let's review everything quickly.
I am.
You are.
He is.
She is.
We are.
They are.
That's the entire lesson.
Seriously,
Many learners think this topic is difficult.
but it's actually very logical.
Exactly.
Let's tell a story using all 6 patterns.
Stories always help.
Imagine it's your first day at a new company.
Sounds exciting.
You walk into the office feeling nervous.
Very nervous.
A manager approaches you.
What does she say?
Hello, I am Sarah.
Nice introduction.
Then she asks, are you our new employee?
And I answer,
Yes, I am.
great.
Then Sarah points to a man near the window.
Who is he?
She says, he is Michael. He is our project manager.
Okay,
Then she points to another person.
let me guess.
She says, she is Olivia. She is our designer.
Nice.
After that, you enter a meeting room.
What happens there?
Sarah smiles and says, we are a friendly team.
That's good to hear.
Then she points to everyone in the room and says, they are excited to meet you.
Wow.
In just a few sentences, we used every pattern naturally.
And that's exactly how English works in real life.
Before we continue, let's take a quick pause.
If you're enjoying this course so far,
Please hit the like button
subscribe so you don't miss day 4.
and tell us in the comments.
Which pattern is easiest for you?
I am
He is?
or we are.
We'd love to know.
Okay,
Time for a challenge.
I was waiting for that,
I'll give you a sentence.
and I'll complete it.
Ready?
Always.
I. Happy.
M.
She blanked my teacher.
Is,
They each at school.
are,
We blank friends.
are,
He busy today.
is,
You amazing.
are.
Perfect score.
Not bad at all.
Now let's practice speaking.
Everyone listening, repeat after us.
I am confident.
I am improving every day.
You are doing great.
He is my friend.
She is a doctor.
We are learning English.
They are ready.
One more time.
I am confident.
You are doing great.
He is my friend.
She is a doctor.
We are learning English.
They are ready.
Excellent.
Before we finish, let's review one last time.
I goes with am.
He and she go with is.
You, we, and they go with are.
That's the secret.
Simple patterns create strong English.
Don't try to learn everything at once.
Master one small step every day.
That's exactly how fluency grows.
Tomorrow we'll build another important piece of spoken English.
And every day your confidence will become stronger.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
Keep believing in yourself.
Thank you for joining us today.
We are proud of your progress.
See you tomorrow for day 4.
Bye, everyone.
Take care and keep speaking English every day.